Welcome to Quiz Nebula TV. Think you know the animal kingdom? Get ready for 25 fun and challenging questions to test your knowledge. Let's see how many you can get right. Let's begin. Can you guess which animal lives in the coldest places on Earth? Polar bear is the winner. It thrives in the coldest environments on Earth. Who has exactly 10 legs? The correct answer is crab, with 10 legs in total. Do you know which animal can blink both eyes at the same time? Nice job if you picked camel. It can blink both eyes together. Which creature would you least want to encounter? Tick takes this one because it spreads dangerous diseases. Guess the bird that's best at copying human speech. Parrot is the champion at mimicking human speech. Who has the longer tusks? Elephant has much longer tusks than a walrus. Can you spot the venomous animal? The venomous animal is king cobra, one of the world's deadliest snakes. Which animal takes a long winter nap every year? Bear spends the winter hibernating to save energy. Whose teeth never stop growing? Rabbit has teeth that grow continuously throughout its life. Ready for another one? Which animal has the longest tongue? Giraffe wins with its amazingly long tongue. Believe it or not, one of these animals can sleep for up to 3 years. Believe it or not, snail can remain dormant for years. Which one is it? Who can hear sounds far beyond the human range? Bat can hear ultrasonic sounds that humans can't detect. Which animal makes the loudest sound on the planet? Blue whale produces the loudest calls in the animal kingdom. Can you identify the animal that breathes through its skin? Frog can breathe through its skin as well as its lungs. Between these two, who has the greater strength? Tiger comes out on top with greater overall strength. Which bird is the tiniest of the pair? Hummingbird is the smallest bird in this matchup. Who do you think is more dangerous? Hornet is the more dangerous choice because of its powerful sting. Which incredible animal can even sleep while flying? Swift can rest while flying during long migrations. Can you name the mammal that lays eggs? The amazing egg-laying mammal is the platypus. Time for a bite battle. Which one bites harder? Orca has the stronger bite in this challenge. Which giant tips the scales with more weight? Elephant outweighs a rhinoceros by a significant margin. Guess the animal with the biggest brain on Earth. Sperm whale has the largest brain of any animal alive. Who has more arms? Squid wins with 10 arms and tentacles combined. Which animal is famous for changing its colors? Chameleon is famous for changing its colors. Finally, which bird can hover perfectly in one spot? Hummingbird is the only bird that can truly hover in place. Awesome work! Share your score below. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next Quiz Nebula TV challenge.